Hello everyone, we are going to solve class 2 IGKO set B of 2017. So let's begin. So the first section is of general awareness, and here it is shown a figure which is indicated by X. So you have to name it, and the correct name is stomach. Okay, now let's see the next question. In MS Paint, the icon shown in the picture is used to, so here is it, this is the icon. So what is it used for? So it is used for pick up the colors. Now let's see the third question. Which festival are the children most likely celebrated in this picture? So the children are celebrating Eid. Okay, let's see question number 4. Select the option which on unscrambling gives the name of the home of dog. So first of all, where the dog lives, so it lives in a kennel. Okay, KENNEL. Okay, let's see the next question. Which of these do we use during rainy season? So here it is a raincoat, then a boot and umbrella. So we use all of these in rainy season to protect ourselves from rain. Question number 6. Which of the dance form related to Gujarat? So let's see it. Here we have option A and option B. So if you see and zoom the figure, then you will see this woman has dandiya in his hands. Okay, like this and this. So it is related to Gujarat. Now let's come to the next question. Which of the flower is national flower of Bangladesh? Question number 7. So lotus is not the national flower of Bangladesh. Lotus is the national flower of India. So water lily is the national flower of Bangladesh. A huge mass of snow that suddenly breaks, loses and crushes down mountains is called a or an what? So it is called a avalanche. Question number 9. Which of the following is a grass? Bamboo plant, mango plant, guava plant and a lemon plant. So which is it? So a bamboo plant is a kind of grass, like it is considered in that category. Look at the following pictures carefully and select the odd one out. So all these are in-home appliances, but this is a automobile, the motorbike, so it is the odd one, option C. Let's see question number 11. Combine the given pictures to make a meaningful word and choose the correct option. So it's a wheel and it is a chair. So if we combine wheel and chair, then it becomes wheelchair. So let's see, option B is the correct option here. Now in question number 12, which of the following is a traffic sign of no left turn? So here it is a left turn shown in the figure and it is cut, so there is no left turn here. Let's see question number 13. Leaves come in many shapes and size. Identify the leaves shown in the picture. So which leaf it is? It is a banana leaf and we all are aware of it. Let's see question number 14. Our currency is rupee The currency of China is yen. Okay, yuan is the currency of Japan, dollar is the currency of USA. Okay, and taka is Bangladesh. Okay, and renminbi is also a currency of some country, but I don't know about it. Let's move forward to question number 15. Which box is fourth to the left of third box from the right end? So let's consider the first the right and left end. So the right end is along with the side of your right hand like this, and left end is this. So from the right end, third box is B. This is the third box, and the question is asking which box is fourth to the left of third box from the right end. So it is the third one and fourth box after that. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the fourth box is U. So the correct option is B. Question number 16. Rohit made 4 groups each with 2 means of transport with some similarity. In doing so, he made an incorrect group. Identify the correct group. So helicopter and aeroplane, then car and submarine. So car is a roadway transportation medium, while submarine is a water transportation system or waterway transportation system. So this is the correct option, which is odd in this group. Question number 17. With which sport in the given picture associated? So here the picture is showing that the guys are moving with a ball in their hand, which signifies the sports which is known as rugby. It is rugby football. So let's see which option is it. Option A. Let's see this figure. Which actor is it? So it is Irfan Khan. In which game is very small ball is used as comparison to the other given games? So in baseball, handball, table tennis. Okay, these all have a kind of ball, and the basketball has the largest one. So if we talk about the series of larger to smaller, then basketball, then handball, then baseball, and then finally comes the table tennis ball, which is smallest. Like this is the size. So the correct option is option C. To which neighboring country in India does flag belongs to? So there is a dragon in this flag, which indicates China. Let's see the current affairs now. 21st question. Okay, who is the current Prime Minister of United Kingdom? So if we talk about the current Prime Minister, then it is Bill English. Now question number 22. Which football team won the 71st edition of Santosh Trophy football tournament in 2017? So let's see which is it. West Bengal. Who won the Best Actress award in 64th National Awards in 2017? So which is it? So it is Sonakshi Sinha. Okay. Now 24th question, who was the highest scorer in ICC Champions Trophy 2017? So it is Shikhar Dhawan. It is an Indian batsman. Now, who is the current Chief Minister of Gujarat? So it is Vijay Rupani. After Narendra Modi leaving the seat of CM and became the PM of India, Vijay Rupani took control over the CM's office. Okay, then we have 26th question of life skill section. Which of the following is an important for healthy relationship? So respecting others is quite important for a healthy relationship. If we don't respect ourselves or others, then the relationship will not be more. When a teacher is teaching in a class, what you should do? Okay, so you should you should raise your hand if you need to ask a question. Many of the kids become shy to ask any kind of question, which makes them a weaker kid because of their doubt. So never be in the doubt or never hesitate in asking the question, because the one kid who rises up to ask a question is always superior to those who are sitting on the bench. So always ask the question and never think that someone make fun of you. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? You should never share your food with anyone. It is good? No, it's not good. It is not correct at all. Then let's see the next. You should never attend your school assembly. It is also not good. You should listen to the teachers carefully. Yes, it is. So option C is correct. Let's see 29th question. You have a chocolate but your brother doesn't have one. What will you do? So share the chocolate with him. It is the correct manner. Which one of the following is injurious to health? Smoking, playing football, eating fruits and vegetables, doing exercises. So smoking is injurious to health. Achievers section. It is the most awaited section in the whole series. Let's see. The first question is match the following. So in column 1 we have some certain figures and in column 2 we have the options. So let's see the 31st question. So column 1 we have a kind of figure. So what is it? Tell me. It is a turnip. In Hindi it is known as shalgam. So let's see. We have two options with A2. So let's move on to the next one. Like if you see, it is a kind of mushroom, C4. Then we have a spring onion, B1. And then we have avocado. Okay. So we have cleared all the options now. So B1, C4 and D3. Now let's check it out. So A2 and B1. Here A2 and B4. So it will not be the correct one. The correct one will be A. Okay. Now next see the 32nd question. How many means of communication are hidden in the grid? So I will write the correct answer here and leave it to you guys that find it, the number of words and mention them in the comment section so that I can see how attentively you are listening to the lecture. So the correct option of this question is 6. Okay, and you have to find the words and mention it in the comment section. Now next, see the 33rd question. He is an Indian shooter who became the first India to win individual gold medal in 10-meter air rifle event in 2008 Beijing Olympic Games. Who is he? Abhinav Bindra. Okay. #34 question. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following question. Jug is equal to 3 cups. Okay. 1 jug is equal to 3 cups. 1 bucket, let it write above. 1 bucket is equal to 3 jugs. And then we have 1 barrel, which is equal to 3 buckets. How many? Now let's see it. Like, how many cups of water does it need to fill a barrel completely? Okay, so if we see here, we have 1 barrel is equal to 3 bucket. Bu is indicating the bucket, or let's write it like this. Then we have 3 buckets is equal to 3 jugs. Sorry, 1 bucket is equal to 3 jugs, and 1 jug is equal to 3 cups. Okay, so 1 jug is equal to 3 cups, then 3 jugs is equal to 3 into 3 cups. Okay, and 3 jugs is equal to 1 bucket, then 3 jugs is equal to 1 bucket, then 1 barrel is equal to 3 bucket. So 3 into 3 jugs is equal to 1 barrel, which is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 cups, resulting how many of them? So it will be 36. #34 question. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following question. So let's see, 1 jug is equal to 3 cups, 1 bucket is equal to 4 jugs, and 1 barrel is equal to 3 buckets. How many water does it need to fill 1 barrel completely? And the water should be contained in cups. So let's write it first. Okay, So 1 barrel is equal to 3 bucket. 1 bucket is equal to 4 jugs, and 1 jug is equal to 3 cups. So if we have to calculate the value of 1 bucket in terms of cups, then there is 4 jugs and 1 jug's value is 3 cup. So it will be 12. Now the number of buckets in 1 barrel is 3. So we have to multiply 1 into 3. In the same way 12 into 3 to obtain the value in cups. So it is 36. So option C will be the correct option here. Now the last question of this section. Complete the given comparison. As talkative as a what? So as talkative as a magpie. It is a creature. Okay friends, so that's it. We have successfully covered the whole question of set B of IGKO class 2. If you liked our explanation, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you are willing to join our paid courses, then please mention in the comment section. We will contact you after that. Thank you.